So in this problem, we have a Cartesian coordinate 2 comma negative 2 times square root of 3, and we need to transform it to its corresponding polar coordinate. Let us begin. So first, we'll try to plot the point on the Cartesian plane. So here we have 2 units along the positive x direction, and then we have 2 times square root of 3. Now square root of 3, that's 1.7. So 2 times 1.7 is 3.4. So we can say that it's approximately 3.5 units. So we get 1, 2, 3. Somewhere here is going to lie the point 2 comma negative 2 times square root of 3. We're going to name it as point P. So we'll have to convert it to its corresponding polar coordinate. For that, let us begin by joining the point P from the origin O. First, we can find out the distance OP. Distance OP is nothing but the radius r. So our value is going to be equals to, all we have to do is take the square root. Underneath the square root, first we are going to square the x coordinate and then add it to the square of the y coordinate. So that gives us a value. So we have 2 squared, so that's 4. Added to 2 squared will be 4. 4 times square root of 3, so that's only 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So we get 4 plus 12. The sum is 16. 16 is a perfect square, so we get 4. So our value is going to be 4 units. That's fixed. Now, our next goal is to find out this particular angle. To do that, first what we'll do, we'll drop a perpendicular from point P along the x-axis and going name this point as point A. So that means P is perpendicular on the x-axis, and this gives us a right angle triangle PAO. Now what we'll do, we'll consider the right angle triangle PAO, which is right angle at A, and here we'll try to find out tangent of this angle. We're going to define it as angle phi. So tangent of angle phi, that's defined as the y coordinate, that's AP, divided by the x coordinate, which is OA. And what we'll do, we'll consider only the magnitude value. So tangent of phi comes out to be equals to, so AP, the magnitude of AP, that's going to be 2 times square root of 3, divided by OA. OA is 2 units, so 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Tangent of phi comes out to be square root of 3. Now we know that whenever pi value is equals to pi over 3 radians, then we get tangent of phi equals to square root of 3. So we have obtained the value of phi, but our goal is to not find the angle phi. Our goal is to find out the value of theta, and theta is always measured in the measured from the positive direction of x-axis. So this is going to be the angle theta. Now theta is simply equals to angle phi, but here we'll have to be careful with the direction. We are going in the clockwise fashion, and whenever we move in the clockwise fashion, theta is considered to be negative. So that means our value of angle theta is negative pi over 3 radians. So hence we have successfully converted our given Cartesian coordinate point 2 comma negative 2 times square root of 3 into its corresponding polar coordinate form as 4 comma negative pi over 3 radians.